Hello guys, I just noticed previously that my rear tire is eating up really fast, and that really draws my attention. Now this bike is having over 500k mileage on, and it's still serving me. I didn't buy it as brand new. I didn't buy it with the low mileage on. It already have about 400k mile before I bought it. So that actually got me loving more products from this very manufacturer. Now let's get to the tire real quick. If you look at it here, you can see that although that the tread wear indicators are all gone, this tire is going to be causing slippage, but I'm kind of a little bit low on budget right now to start replacing these tires. However, I want to use this to teach a lot of you guys who might be finding it a little bit tricky to perfectly align your tires. Now here's my take. If you look at here, everything seems to be good, but when you come over here, you can see that this line that you're still maintaining here on this one, it was chopped right here. That's to say that here is eating more than here. So since we don't have track here, the tire wear is most often here because we are most often times running straight, riding straight. So what I want to show here is a different tip entirely from what is already existing. So since it's eating here, that's to say that this tire has shifted, it has gone in from there, and this, so this tire is typically like this. That is the only way where this one can eat more. So the adjustment, this one should be coming back a little bit, right? In order to give you the right angle, you might want to measure between here and here and ensure that it's the same with here and here, right? One other tip also which I want to show you guys, which you can use to correct this, is to use a measuring tape to measure between this angle here. Get a straight stuff and mark this edge here, right? You want to make that measurement, take it from here to here and make a mark where it touches the wheel. Then do the same thing here and here. Then measure between this wheel and here, make sure that they are equal. If they are not equal, adjust until you find the perfect position where between here and here is equal to this other side, and I guarantee you your tire is going to be straight. So if it is not, you need to slack this this bolt here, this big bolt here, not here. Then you start to reduce it, depend on your car, your bike make and model. However, this very tip works in all. So if it is this one that is eating, then it means this tire is towed to this side. There is no any other hidden trick about it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys later. If you have any further question, drop it in the comment section. Bye for now.